Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Easy Accounting Channel. Today we are continuing on our charitable organization, the donation and gift online 34900. So use this line to claim charitable donation for a deceased spouse or common law before the date of death and complete Schedule 9 donation and gift. And you support the claim for donation and gift with official donation receipts that the registered charity issued, showing either the deceased name or the deceased spouse or common law partner. And then for the deaths that occur after 2015, estate donation made by the individual where certain conditions are met by the individual. So GRE donation, a donation by a GRE to a qualified donee. The donation property must be property that was acquired by the estate, and as a consequence of the death, the property was submitted for such property. So a designated donation is a donation of a direct distribution of a proceed to a qualified donee from an RRSP. And this also includes a group RRSP, RRIP, a tax-free savings account, TFSA, or life insurance policy, including a group life insurance policy as a result of the beneficiary destination. So you can also allocate a GRA donation among any of the following: the tax year of the GRA in which the donation is made, an earlier taxation year of GRA, the last 2 taxation year of the deceased individual, and in addition, a gift made after the 36-month period within 60 months after the date of death by a former GRE, that the country to meet all of the requirements of the GRE except for 36 months, and the taxation year of the deceased in which the donation is made, and an earlier donation year of the deceased, and the last 2 taxation year of the deceased individual. So an estate, whether it is a GRE or not, can claim a charitable donation tax credit for an estate donation in the year in which the donation is made, or in any of the following 5 years, or 10 years for a gift of ecologically sensitive land made after February 10, 2014. And as a legal representative, you must attach supporting document for the donation made, and the type of supporting document you have to provide depend on when the registered charity or qualified donee will receive the gift. So for the gift that will be received right away, you provide an official donation receipt. So the gift will be received later. Provide a copy of the following: a letter from the estate to the charitable organization that will receive the gift, advising of the gift, the description of the property being gifted, and its estimated value. The letter from the charitable organization acknowledging the gift and stating that it will accept the gift, and a statement from the letter of the representative of the estate stating one of the following, all of the following: the estate is a graduated real estate of the deceased individual, and the estate intends to make the gift within 60 months after the date of death, and the amount of the gift claim on the final return of the deceased individual. So generally, an individual dies, the individual is deemed to have disposed of all capital property immediately before the individual death. When the estate of an individual donates property that was the subject of a deemed disposition by the individual immediately before the individual death, and the property fair market value upon transfer to the qualified donee has changed, the difference will result in a gain or loss to the estate that will generally be recognized for income tax purposes. If the property is certified, cultural property, or ordinary benefits from a capital gain, inclusion of rates of zero, see the section called gift of certified cultural group. And the capital gain realized on the gift of certain capital property. So the same treatment will apply to the capital gain on the deemed disposition of the property immediately before the individual death if the property donated meets both the following condition. That is, the property benefit from a capital gain exemption or exclusion when donated as described in this section, and the estate is GRE and the donation is a GRE donation. And the treatment will also apply to former GRE donation. So additional special rules exist for the proceed of disposition and cost amount of gift of hand from the artist inventory or as a consequence of the artist's death. Thank you for coming to my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel and share my video. Thank you. Bye.